Morning! I think it's Saturday, but I don't know what day it is, but we're about to go get breakfast. They were really sweet and they brought us coffee because it's like probably like a 5-minute walk downhill. So they brought us coffee this morning because we're doing a hike starting at 8:30. We woke up at like 5:40 because time difference, but we're gonna go get some food now. This is our view from everything. You can kind of see the river. You can't really tell it's like rapids though on camera. Yeah, you can kind of see a rapid right there. Oh, there's a bug bite. Okay. We just did 14 kilometers, which is about 10 miles straight up and straight down through the jungle. Basically, I would barely consider that a trail, right? That was like a mudslide trail that animals take. It was not like a typical hike. We are so freaking dead right now. And I am drenched in sweat. And I'll show you my shoes right now, but this is after walking through a waterfall. So the majority of the mud is gone. But this much mud is still on there. Seriously. All the mud. Mud. And look at the shoes! That's not even like a quarter of how bad it was. So muddy. So muddy. I'm stained with mud. I gotta like... This pool is naturally, continuously being refilled. So it's okay that I just jumped in with all the mud. Ready? We just got done with 14 kilometers, but you know, what's another 400 meters? My blister hurts.